Most have heard of the AR-15. According to researchers, it is the rifle type most used in mass shootings in this country. Now a new rifle is on the market. Investigative reporter Nathan Baca reports gun safety advocates are worried.
At June's Showmaster Gun Show inside the Dulles Expo Center, nearly 300 vendors show off a wide range of firearms, from handguns to rifles. Plenty of those vendors offered the AR-15, the most popular and customizable American rifle for more than 50 years, typically chambered with the 5.56 NATO round. But people attending that show say they're looking forward to the AR-15's successor, the MCX Spear, chambered with the new 277 Fury round.
What makes you excited about the new main battle rifle?
Probably the round it fires.
Okay, what about it?
The ingenuity that they put into it. So it's supposed to reach out a little bit more than the 5.56, since our current engagements are typically longer than what a 5.56 can reach out to, like in the Middle East and whatnot.
With the 277 Fury versus a 5.56, might be exciting to shoot, right?
Yeah, of course.
Seeing which one affect the most, which one do the most damage, and how the damage impact, how it look and stuff like that.
Right.
On the target.
It will change how we look at life afterwards.
This is the MCX Spear, shown in promotional video from manufacturer Sauer. It won the competition this year to become the U.S. Army's so-called next-generation squad weapon.
It has to bring a significant change to warfare. It has to be lighter, you have to get the range, you have to get the terminal ballistic.
And you too can buy the Army's new rifle. Sauer sells it now to the general public, both under the MCX Spear and XM5 name. It goes for $8,000. Various vendors we talked to at the Dulles Gun Show expect that price to go down by half in the coming years. It can be accurate up to 1,000 yards with enough power to punch through nearly all body armor, according to the U.S. Army. The Army says it wanted the new 277 Fury round because the Army's current round, the 5.56 NATO, often fails to punch through enemy body armor at long range.
The U.S. military is calling it a game changer. That kind of game-changing gun will be in the hands potentially of 18 and 19-year-old kids.
Ryan Bussey is a former firearm company executive now working for the Giffords campaign for gun regulation.
There are probably almost no law enforcement agencies, probably almost no domestic police agencies that have body armor set to defend against the 277 Fury.
While police vests can be pierced with current AR-15 rounds, the rounds the MCX Spear shoots are specifically designed to pierce through all but the toughest body armor, according to the U.S. Army. Local police agencies in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia declined to confirm the level of body armor its officers wear, but some law enforcement sources tell WUSA 9 officers are not equipped with the level 4 armor required to stop the rounds these new rifles can shoot. The abilities the MCX Spear has in taking on America's foreign enemies can, in the wrong hands, make long-range shootings like the recent Highland Park shooting, which killed 7, or the 2017 Las Vegas shooting, which killed 60 people, even deadlier.
The vast, overwhelming majority of people who own AR-15s don't use them illegal or any criminal, horrific way, but we've seen a few do. We should be worried about what the sort of marketing and encouragement that might happen with this gun, because it's going to be a lethal gun at a long distance.
We reached out to Sauer for comment about how it plans to sell and market their XM5 rifle. We have not received a response, but in a company blog, Sauer's CEO says this is a rare opportunity for passionate consumers to own a piece of history.
We reached out to local gun stores to see when they expect to start selling the Sauer MCX Spear and the XM5 rifles. They tell us within the coming months. Nathan Baca, WUSA 9.